Okay, fantastic fourth graders. This is Eureka Math, Module 2, Lesson 3 with Mrs. Fuska. Okay, our learning target for this module is I can know and understand sizes of measurement units within one system. The one system that we're talking about right now is the metric system, and I can express a larger unit in terms of smaller units, like 1 kg, 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. Okay, in our first lesson of this unit, we talked about measurement of distance or length, and we talked about kilometers, meters, and centimeters. In our second lesson, we talked about what is mass, the measurement of mass, and we talked about kilograms and grams. Now we're going to talk about what is capacity. Capacity is the maximum amount that something can contain. So usually we're talking about liters or milliliters. So if you see the metric units of capacity on this chart, we're going to talk about 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. And go on down the chart and you can see that 3 liters would be the same as, that's right, 3,000 milliliters. 10 liters is the same as 10,000 milliliters, and so on. Okay, when we're adding and subtracting, remember we have to have the same, units. We have to be adding and subtracting the same units. It would be like adding bananas and apples, and then how many apples do we have? We need to be adding the same units. So if we look at this problem, 9 liters plus 4,200 milliliters, we want to change the 9 liters into 9,000 milliliters and then add it together. Okay, so first thing I did is I changed my 9 liters to 9,000 milliliters, and then I added it to 4,200 milliliters, and I got 13,200 milliliters. This way expresses this in the smallest unit, which is milliliters. But I can also express it as a mixed unit, which would be 13 liters and 200 milliliters. Next, we're going to be subtracting. So if we have 32 liters, 420 milliliters, I can change that all to milliliters, and I would have 32,420 milliliters. Subtract 13,250 milliliters. Okay, if we do the subtracting here, we will get 19,170 milliliters. That would be in the smallest unit because milliliters is smaller than liters. Or we could write it as mixed units, which would be 19 liters and 170 milliliters. Okay, and lastly, we are going to do a word problem. Remember, we have the read, draw, write method. So in this problem, Nina is making 2,170 milliliters of her favorite tea that has both green tea, whoa, made a typo here, and lemon juice. If she puts in 1 liter, 300 milliliters of tea, how much lemon juice does she need? So let's first draw a tape diagram. Okay, so we're trying to find out how much lemon juice she would need to add to make her total tea 2,170 milliliters. So to get that, we would take 2,170 milliliters, subtract 1,300 milliliters, and then we would get the amount of lemon juice that we need. Okay, Nina would need to add 170 milliliters of lemon juice to reach her total amount of tea, which is 2,170 milliliters. So let's write that as a statement. Okay, and our answer statement would be Nina needs to add 870 milliliters of lemon juice to get to her total amount of tea. Okay, for your homework tonight, you need to complete all of page 105 and 106 in your Succeed homework book and bring it to class tomorrow, but we will not be checking it until Thursday because we will be gone to the performance tomorrow. Okay, see you later.